Alright, this is another update on my welding project. I've got some new pieces of angle iron put in here that I've welded in already. That's the welder I'm using, stick welder. Show you what I've got down here. Got the fan set up for some airflow in here. So what I've done is I've got that new piece of angle iron right there. I welded in last Friday. You know, I've been going on vacation for the 4th of July, but I got back just this past Wednesday. But Friday, a week ago, was when I got that piece of angle iron welded in right there. And so I've got this piece over here now, more 4-inch angle I'm welding in. Or actually, I'm just about to start welding it in. I've got it lined up across there. And so you can see we notched out around the cross members right here. And I took my grinder, as you can probably see, around it, and I ground off the paint that was all around the places where I'm going to be welding at, and also ground along top of it right there so I can weld however I need to right there. And I'm probably going to spot weld it to the wall the best I can along through here, and then right there where those rust holes are, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do about that. I'm probably just going to leave that alone and everything, and where I might take this little piece of flat bar I got right there, and I might put it in on top of there to cover that up. And I'm not really going to worry about up there at the front because that's still solid up there. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Those electrodes I'm using right there, these are some 3 30-seconds 7018 rods, and then these are 5 30-seconds 7018, and I'm running 120 amps on this. So that's pretty much it. And so the rest of my plan is to, after I get this welded in here, I'm gonna put some more angle iron down the remainder of this section through there, and then probably maybe put some angle iron right there where that bad spot is, and then probably flat bar the last bit of it. And then I'm also going to put flat bar along this piece, and then that last cross section right there on the cross member. I mean, in between the cross member, you know. And so that's just a leftover piece of what we had from this. And it's already rusted a little bit where it's, I mean, the weld surface rust where it's sat outside already. But yeah, you can say my stick welding's not the prettiest in the world, but I'm getting there. It's actually been a little over a year since I've stick welded, so I'm kind of having to get back in the groove of it. And then also you can see I've got a bead ran across right there, and then a few tacks along here. And it's only kind of tacked a little bit on that side. I don't know if you can see it or not. And then of course tacked it at the front. And so that's pretty much what I'm going to do for this side over here. I'm going to weld it right there on both sides of the cross member, and then probably the best I can along that crack right there, and then just kind of run some tacks along the wall up here, and then of course weld it in right there at the front, run a solid bead across it, and then I'm going to do the best I can right here. And then you can see I'm also rushed it through right there on top of that cross member, so I might take my little MIG welder I brought over here with me and use that. So it's just a matter of time, but you know, I'll see what I do with it. And so it's, you know, you're probably going to see a lot of welding work on this when I get done with the trailer, but I mean, hey, that's not going to bother me none. It's not like it's a beauty contest for a trailer or anything like that, you know. It's just, as long as I can get it fixed, I'm happy with it. And so So that's my update. And so I will keep y'all updated on the rest of the work I do, and y'all can comment, rate, and subscribe on that.